Let's say you've got an idea for an app. You're excited, you sketch something, maybe talk to a few devs, and then reality kicks in. How do you actually turn the thing into a working product people will use and love? Here's the thing most startup teams get wrong. They jump into development too fast. They skip the design process or treat it like a decoration. But design isn't about colors and buttons. It's about reducing risk. Let's walk through what the UX process looks like specifically for startups. Step 1. Define your app's purpose. What problem are you solving? For whom? And what are their goals? And what are yours? Your app needs to hit that sweet spot between business goals, user needs, and tech capabilities. Say you're building a banking app. Your business goal might be reducing the cost of serving clients in bank branches and increasing the average income per client. Your user goal is to track spending and manage money. Your app needs to bridge the two. Without this clarity, everything that follows is just the guesswork. Step 2. Do your research. This is a step many founders skip. Don't. You need to look at two things: your competitors and your users. Start with a competitive analysis. See what others are doing. What's standard in your space? What's missing? What do reviews say users hate? Next, user research. Figure out who you are building for. What do they want? What annoys them? What are their real-life habits? We often run user interviews or read competitors' products reviews. It's not about what people say they want. It's how they talk about their problems. And then we create user personas to map it all out. Not fluffy personas with stock photos. Actual behavioral types based on patterns we've seen. Step 3. Define your MVP. You don't need to build the full product. You need to focus on the smallest set of features that solve the core user problem. That's your MVP. Start by listing everything you'd like to include. Then strip it down to what's absolutely essential. Once you've got that, don't waste time designing from scratch. Use proven UX patterns. Stick to flows users already understand. And to move even faster, use certain component libraries like nDesign or Tailwind UI. That way, you are not solving design problems that have already been solved. To speed things up even more and reduce risk, you can build a clickable prototype in Figma. No code, no dev time, just simple way to test your idea with users before investing in development. One of our clients, Xilinx, started a very simple demo. It was enough to test user interest. Then we helped them evolve it into a full product. Step 4. Test early. Get feedback on your MVP, put it in front of your potential users, anyone who will give you honest reactions. This is where a lot of startups hesitate. You've got some screens, but you're not sure if it's ready to show. Show it anyway. Put your design in front of users as soon as possible. You're not testing the visuals. You're testing if people understand what's going on and can use it without friction. With Populate, a healthcare app we worked on, we tested core flows with real doctors early on, even before the UI was finalized. Doctors gave feedback directly on Figma mockups, and their input shaped the structure of key screens. Sometimes we even compromised in visual elegance to make workflows faster for real-life usage. That kind of feedback is gold. It's what makes the product valuable. So, to sum up, start with your users, understand the problem, test ideas before you code, and keep refining based on feedback. That's what UX design is about, especially for startups. It's not about trends, it's not about pixel-perfect visuals from day one. It's about building quickly, testing quickly, and iterating until the product market fit based on your user feedback. If that sounds like a lot, we get it. Designing an app isn't just design work. It's research, structure, ideation, testing, and a lot of decisions that shape the whole product. That's why we built Eleken the way we did, to help startups go from raw idea to working MVP without wasting months or burning through budgets. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and leave a comment. What stage are you right now?